The overwhelming sense when I first arrived here at Castle Drogo is that this is a place that's deeply entrenched in myth, in storytelling and in theatricality. The architecture is so layered and complex that it naturally encourages speculation, and I immediately knew that this is something that I wanted to build on. I'm Edward Crooks. I'm an artist and an architectural designer, and I'm very fortunate to have been commissioned by the National Trust to work here at Castle Drogo on a very exciting new exhibition called Holding Up. The project has been commissioned as part of the National Trust's Trust New Art programme in partnership with Arts Council England and Arts Council Wales. This is a fantastic initiative which encourages contemporary artists to respond to their properties, and in particular here at Drogo as part of their 2018 Changing Times restoration programme. As a starting point, I've been getting to know the castle through conversations with the staff, the visitors and the volunteers here at the castle. What I'm discovering are countless tales of its creation, often kind of leaping out of the stonework like the building's trying to tell us stories. And what I'm understanding is that this really is an intentional conversation started by the client, Julius True, and the architect, Edwin Lutyens. And I'm looking to draw from their storytelling techniques to devise a new piece within the library. So the installation is a series of large architectural elements compressed and collided within the library. These fragments are imagined as the foundations holding up a new huge tower above Castle Drogo, and everything that you see here are kind of the staircases, the columns, the walls, which are all needed to support this structure. The design of this is really a way of exploring the architecture of the castle itself. So each element is informed by a moment of adaptation or illusion that I've discovered during my time here. Delving into the archives, I've been able to understand the castle through the original drawings, where you can see decisions being made during its construction, where rooms are added, floors are changed, windows moving about, and usually these are the product of unbuilt proposals or changes as they're going along, and I'm really fascinated by this process. The installation, I think, reflects this fascination, and it asks viewers to question why this complex and confusing space might be here. It provides a series of clues in the form of an archive of drawings, models, and films, each of which I think allow you to speculate further and to invent your own narratives as to how this came to be. The project has been taking place during the remarkable restoration work here at Castle Drogo, and it's a really unique opportunity, I think, to explore the building's construction. It's a bit like a dissection, and I've been able to really peel away layers and understand how the appearance of the building is in fact held up by a kind of very modern and contemporary construction. During research, I found these incredible photographs of one-to-one timber models built by Lutyens to test out an unbuilt proposal. These really kind of sparked my imagination going, and it's this kind of theatricality that really inspired the construction of the installation. So what you see in the library is it's all front and no back. It really reads like a theatre set. In contrast to this, there's one piece of granite which is kindly donated by the local Blackenstone quarry. This piece has been a collaboration with the local stonemason Ben Martin, and we worked together to devise a design which almost appears as a fragment of the construction of this new tower. And it really raises questions. Is this a new piece? Is it a piece that's found during the restoration? The exhibition really aims to further the rich spirit of change and adaptation that's taken place at Castle Drogo. And left to the visitor's imagination, I really hope it provides a new way of looking at the castle through the lens of myth-making, fabrication and speculation from which this amazing building was first conceived.